You would think that being happy should be easy, would you not? But apparently it's not. It's been over 60 years now since I became curious about why some people are happy with their life and others are not. Research shows that 81.5% of us, that's the majority of us, are still searching for this apparently elusive desire. Oh sure, everyone's happy every now and then when they buy a new sparkly object or someone pays attention to you, but it's not a foundation part of your life. It's not normally a part of your day, driving your thoughts, mood and behaviour all day. There are 4 key behavioural reasons for this, and a 5th that involves your diet and environment. What would your life be like if you woke up every day with a smiling mind and a happy heart? How differently would the significant others in your life, including your boss, saw you as a happy, fulfilled person? I'm Gary Johnston, and I specialise in helping the unhappy be happy. Let me tell you what my experience has been in working with thousands of individuals and organisations in my career spanning over 40 years. People want to spend time with you when you are happy. People seek you out so they can feel better about themselves. Happy, fulfilled people earn up to 10 times the income of the unhappy. Happy people are healthier mentally and physically. And happy people live longer. And there are many, many, many more benefits to being happy. So consider this. If you could learn the exact path required to lead you to a happier and more fulfilling life, would you take the time to do it? Would you do it for yourself, or would you do it for the greater good of everyone in your life? Will you do it for your family, your children and your friends? Would you do it even for the greater good of the community? Most of us spend our entire lives seeking out and trying to buy happiness and contentment. Everything you do for this purpose. Come and join me for an exploration of the 4 keys to a happy life in a free online workshop that I'm running and starting soon. Invest a small amount of your time to make a significant transformation in your life and the life of everyone around you. Click the link to register for the next workshop. It's free and there's no obligations attached.